Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today guys is Tully's farm meet, Abarth meet 2025. This marks a year guys from when I first ever went to a meet. I'll link the video down below guys. It was the first Abarth meet I had ever gone to, Tully's farm 2024. The video is right at the bottom of my page. It's probably the third posted video I think on my page. But anyways guys, it's going to be a beautiful day. Couldn't have asked for better weather, especially in England, honestly. So it's going to be beautiful. I'm about to go meet the boys from Sprocket channel, Mark, Henry, and a new guy, Ed Booker. He was more so a little bit apprehensive of going to the meet. Obviously he put a post on the group, so I sent him a personal message and said, why don't you just drive on with us? It's better going with a group of people than rocking up on your own, because I know how that feels. I'm sure many of us can relate. I just thought what a nice way to introduce them to, you know, the Abarth culture, and to stay true to the community that these cars have to offer. In South Africa we don't get frost on cars guys, so it's quite a pretty thing. Probably not something that most people would find interesting, but yes, we don't get frost like this sitting on the cars, like ice particles. It's pretty cool. It's pretty in its own way. It's just about perspective, isn't it? It's just really seeing things through a different lens like that. It's so sick. Maybe it's just because, you know, small minds, small things, I don't know. This wouldn't be a Sprocket video without a cold start, so let's go. Oh, and this is the conservative group. That's Henry there, and Mark. The mandatory reverse. It seems like you guys found each other. How did you? I'm Keegan. What's your name? Izzy. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you're right. You too.
Do you guys drink coffee or?
Yeah, we jump in Starbucks. Should we get some?
Yeah, let's grab a drink. So we started up the cars, we're going to let them warm up a little bit, and then we're going to convoy down to or up to wherever it is, Tully's farm from here. So Mark, Ed, who is on the YouTube channel by the way, and then myself in the middle here, and Henry and Izzy over there. And that's stock guys.
I'm off of the meds and it might get hideous. Why so serious? For your life, cause it might get we've adapted the blindness, fall asleep with the sirens out. There's blood on my hands. Somebody save me from myself.
That's Mark with his pups. Honestly though guys, what a beautiful day. community, friends, making new connections. Like, you know, what more could you ask for? Cars, coffee, beautiful English weather. Honestly, what a beautiful day. Gorgeous. Like yellow just pops. That sounds very good. You guys, we even have a dog, so very family friendly events going on here. Gonna be a big turnout, guys, I can just see it. Here's Neo's Abarth, very modded. Obviously convoy down a bit. Stay over here. Really good turnout, so many cars. I am freezing. Let's take a walk around. Paul's car, aka on the YouTube channel the Scorpiator. A massive wing. Very, very nice. Oh, guys, I just love that adrenaline green. If you want to give Abarth Shark97 a follow, Instagram. Gorgeous, absolutely love it. Nice movements. Very nice. Look at that wing. That is gorgeous. 695 with an Akropovich. I know this is Joe's car if I'm not mistaken. I remember the Lego piece valve cap. Very, very nice. Little red inserts there. Maxed in design. Look at that steering wheel. Oh my word. Red carbon fiber. That's gorgeous. It's definitely a big Lego theme going on here. It's very nice. James Paul. I like that little detail. I know this is Adriana's car, also with the beautiful spoiler. Very nice. Also a Akropovich. SCSC. Go give them a follow, guys, Abarth James. The 124, sorry. Also very nice. I really like this spoiler, whoever's car this is. Very, very sexy. Carbon fiber. Awesome. Very, very nice. That blue is nice. There's so many cars here, man. Nice wheels, I really like those factory wheels. Simon's car. The pink theme. Can't miss it. So that's Ed's car, he's on the channel, and that is Henry's car, and then mine, and Mark, who drove on with us, is right at the top there in the white one. Really like this blue. Carbon. Very nice. Very, very nice. So I've noticed, guys, these are actually the covers. So you know, you get the like kilo chrome covers. You can see it's a cover, and it actually sits really well. I wasn't too sure about these in the beginning, otherwise I would have just done them, but they actually sit pretty nicely. Give them a follow, guys.
Blame it on me. You're just too scared to be lonely. No one's safe from the reaper. Not a saint nor a sinner. Rage under my skin, slowly descend into madness. Let it spread like a virus. Be a friend with the violence. Help, there's blood on my hand. Somebody save me from myself.
This is Keith's car. Massive subwoofer. Power flat.
fall asleep with the sirens out. There's blood on my hands. Somebody save me from myself. I'm off of the meds and it might get hideous. Why so serious?
Some aerodynamics going on there. Alrighty guys, so that is a wrap from Tully's Farm 2025. I did bounce out in the middle of it to go and get some food, and then came back to obviously just a few cars left, which was predominantly the admin folk who arranged the groups. So just a little shout out to them as well. Paul, Marcus, Adriana, they always set up the events, and if there's anybody else, forgive me for not mentioning your name. But guys, what an awesome day. It was a huge turnout of cars. I think we must have been over like 50 cars if you have a look at the video. But guys, what a beautiful day. Make sure to stay locked in. There are going to be loads more videos coming soon. The next one that's planned is the 22nd of February, and that's a dyno day, so there's going to be loads of horsepower, loads of exhaust and fumes and all the good things that us petrol heads love. So yes guys, stay locked in as always. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Lekker, bye.